Wow. Well, who knew? Jeeps are like Volkswagen Bugs. Who'd have thought? It's alright. We'll get that cleaned up. Maybe. We'll see. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. My current job keeps me super busy with stuff. Changed positions at the post office. Got a few other things going on. You know, haven't had time to do much. Got a lot of things got to get done. Got a few things need to check. Need some major maintenance on Eleanor. She's got an electrical gremlin in the front. I don't know what's going on, but that turn signal, it comes on, then it shuts off, and then it'll work, it won't work, so I don't know if it's a grounding issue, whatever else, but every time I change the bulb, it's a pain in my ass. So we'll get that fixed, and then I got to figure out what's going on with this brake light switch that's really starting to kill me, but I don't know. We'll get this all figured out, and let's start digging into it. Stick around. Alright guys, like I was saying before, there's a short here in the electrical system in the front end of Eleanor somewhere. Just gotta dig through and find it because this works when it wants to. The headlights are starting to flicker. I don't know if that's because these cheap Chinese headlights that came with the Jeep when I bought it. I don't know. Not the best. I do have planned upgrades for that. So now let's get this all tore down. Chase down some of the wiring and see what we got going on. Found it. Golden. We're going to try something, hang on. See if that worked. Alright, so as you can see, we got this side working really well. need to clean up the ground on this side because I found a lot of corrosion on this plug and this socket. So I'm going to pull some of this back apart, push it all back through where it needs to be so I can get all the plugs back to where they belong. Pray to God it doesn't irritate it so that it goes back. And then from there we'll start on that side. If you guys haven't been following my Instagram page or seeing what I've been posting on that and some of my other little tidbits here and there, you'll know that we're doing a SRT4 Twin Kin 2.4 big turbo kit and motor swapping this with a T56 6-speed Magnum out of a Dodge Dakota. Can't remember what belt housing, but we got a few things coming for it that'll be entirely different. Not what most people are normally used to, but you know, I want to keep it Mopar, I want to keep it 4-cylinder, just want to make big power. So let's see if it still works. Of course not, we pissed it off again. Back to the drawing board. Now that we got it working, this side at least, we're going to figure out why that side's so dim and get it working brighter. Bring some light back into it. Let's double check the turn signals. Alright, let's see if we can get this one working better. Alright, let's see. Bingo! A little bit of love goes a long way. Jarvis. That's Jarvis. My buddy. Oh. You know, old car. Key has to be on for the lights to work. Turn signals anyways. Alright. Alright guys, so some of the issues I found to show you how these are working and way brighter, that both sockets had a ground issue. Use a little bit of sandpaper rolled up on the end of the screwdriver. Okay. You get that, you kind of just sand on the prong a little bit, pull it back up some so that the tab stretches out. And then I also cleaned up the connections on the bulb, you know, sanded a few things off. And once I did that, they both work really well. Let me key up the ignition and I'll turn everything on for you so you can see. 1 second. Now have a right turn signal in the front. I know the rears work because I already fixed those. And now a left. Amazingly enough, as funny as it seems, it's October, the month of Halloween and all the spooky stuff. How much more fitting would it be to chase down an electrical gremlin on your Jeep during October? Yeah. Anyways, if you guys made it this far, you like what you see, you like the content, stick around, hang out, give us a like, give us a subscribe. As always, keep it rubber side down, keep it sideways. See you on the next one. Chasing electrical demons in October. How funny is that?